Hello everyone. We're going to be doing the chapter review in Math in Focus. We're going to be on page 382. What I'd like you to do is look at those charts on 382 and then go and do your chapter review and test like on your own. I want you to try it on your own and then come back and watch the video. Do all of them through number 24, through number 28. Do them on your own on a piece of paper, writing down your answers, and then come back. This video is just going to be a how to check your answers lesson. So do the work first and then come back to watch this for the answers. So you better pause it and go do it with a pencil and paper. For this one, you do need a ruler for number 25. So if you don't have a ruler, you can skip number 25, but maybe try to see if your mom has one in her sewing kit or with a measuring tape. All right, pause it and then come right back to check your answers. All right, going through the answers of the chapter review. Very good. The amount of surface covered is the area. Remember, that's the inside part. The next one is the distance around a figure or plane is its perimeter. Number 3, the perimeter of a stamp, is it about 8? The perimeter of a stamp is about 8 centimeters. Very good. Or 4 inches. 8 centimeters or 4 inches. The area of a teacher's table is about 9 square, which one of these units? About 9 square feet, or about 1 square meter. If you did these down here, you would have found 14 square units here. Keeping in mind these little half units equal 1. So 1, 1. So these 2 halves equal 1 and these 2 halves equal another 1. If you go through and count them, you should have gotten to 14. If you didn't get 14, go back and check your work. The area for number 6 is 8 square units. 7 is 10 square units. 8 is 8 square units. I hope all of you got those right. Tell me in the comments how you did after watching this video. I'm excited to find out. And then it says, which figure has the largest area? Well, if you look back between 4, 8, 10, and 8, the largest area would, 14, would be 14, so figure A. Which figure has the smallest area? Well, you'll notice it says 2 answers because 2 have the same, B and D. Which 2 figures have the same area? Well, obviously, B and D. Do you want figure A or figure C? Sorry, if you want figure A and figure C to have the same area, explain 2 ways of doing this. One way to do it, since this is 4 less, is to take 4 away from A, right? And then it'll have the same as C. Maybe take these 4 off right here. It's just an idea. You can do it how you want. Another way would be to add 4 to C. Maybe put a block of 4 up here. So the way of explaining it is either to add 4 more tiles to figure C or to take away 4 tiles from figure A. If you did numbers 13, 14, 15, 16, they're kind of fun shapes. I think this one's cool because it looks like a fish. Maybe you noticed too. The area, it asks you to find out the area. The area here is 5 inches squared. Remember to look at the units. They're not actually inches, they represent it in inches. These 2 halves equal 1 whole. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 square inches. Number 14, you'll notice it has lots of those little half squares. So 1, 2, 3 in the half squares. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is 11 centimeters squared. Look at the units. This one says feet. Make sure you write your answer in feet. Lots of little half ones in this one too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I like to do the half ones first. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wait, I miscounted. Let me do that again. I think I counted these twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is 13. I'm glad I recounted. 13 feet squared. Over here, 1 with the half tiles, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 meters squared over here, or square meters. Find the perimeter and area. You have to find both. So if you go around 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, if you went through and added all those, the perimeter would be 14 inches. And the area would be 8 because you count the number of blocks. Over here for number 18, you'll notice that the area is also 8. But this is centimeters and this is inches. So do they actually have the same area? No, right? Because this is inches squared and this is centimeters squared. The perimeter of this one is 16 centimeters. So perimeter is 16, area is 8. Perimeter is 14, area is 8. Answer the questions. Do figures A and B have the same area? Well, they're both centimeters. That's the first thing you should check. This has 8, and B also, let's see, has 8. So yes, they have the same area. But do they have the same perimeter? No. 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 is 12. 3 plus 4 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 12 and 14 are not the same. They do not have the same area. For number 21, it says, do figures C and D have the same area? The answer is no. Let's look at why. For C and D, this is 8 and this is 9. Do they have the same perimeter? Yes. Let's count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. They both have a perimeter of 14. And they're both meters. It does matter to look at those units, that the units are the same. For number 22, oh, we answered that. So it goes no and yes. For number 23, do figures E and F have the same area? Yes, they have the same area. Do they have the same perimeter? Also, yes. If you look, the area for each is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is also 9. And the perimeter is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Both of them have a perimeter of 16. Over here, if you got out your measuring tape, you would notice that this is 5, and this is 2. This is 5, and this is 2. So 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 is 14 centimeters. A rectangular field is 10 meters by 5 meters. A fence is put around it. How long must the fence be? It must be 30 meters. Just in case you struggle with that, it is 10 by 5, 10, 5. 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 is 30 meters. 2 square tiles with a side length of 6 centimeters are placed side by side to form a rectangle. What is the perimeter? Let's do that together. So if this is 6 and this is 6, one side is 12, right? This side is 6, that makes this side 12, and this side 6. So you just find the perimeter. 12 plus 12 is 24, and 6 plus 6, adding to that, would give you 30, and then 36. It would be 36 centimeters. For number 28, the diagram shows a kitchen floor. Mrs. Thompson needs alternate white and blue tiles to cover the kitchen floor. How many color of each tile should she buy? You could color it in would be one way, but we don't color in our math books. So let's use math. 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So she needs 32 tiles, right? Or the number she needs total. Half of them should be blue and half of them should be white. So if the total is 32, and this is 1/2 and this is 1/2, how many would make up each part? Right, you would need 16 blue and 16 white. times. That's it. You guys did great. Consider this like a quiz and just tell me how you did below in the comments. You could say, hey, Miss Smith, I only missed 2, or I didn't miss any, or oh, I'm so glad you helped me with problem number 20, or whatever. Just tell me about it in the comments below, and I'll know whether or not you commented. So please do that. I'm glad you did so great today.